Living alone with your kids, it's really boring. Like when you don't have anybody in your surrounding like you can talk to otherwise, because sometimes I'm like, oh my god, I really don't have anything going on. So right now I'm home. I'm actually in the midst of making lunch for the girls. I'm doing some sardine. This is what I'm doing. Sardine and mixed veg and rice. So it smells like the rice is already burning. So we have rice going on. So I try to do the jasmine rice, especially because Raven, she can't manage to chew. So I try to do this rice because when it's cooked, it's really soft. So that's what's going on. And yes, you know, with school being out on holiday, you know, like because we have the Eras weekend coming up, so that means no school for Robsy. She being home, meaning that I have to find lunch for her. I'd rather her being at school and just give her the lunch money. I don't have to cook. And then Raven is so picky, so I'm not so stressed all the time to make lunch for her. But I kind of like the idea that Robin is here, so I have to cook for Raven. And then I kind of don't like it because I really don't want to cook all the time. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's the situation. I really don't have anything else planned for today. I washed yesterday. It rained, so I got to rinse and put the clothes out. But it's still going to rain for today. It's overcast. I don't know if we have some weather situation going on. But you know, as Jamaicans, we never check the weather until we realize that it's really pretty much at our doorstep. But that's what's up. Okay, so I will have to try to make my day very productive. Okay, so I do have a content for a brand that I need to shoot, but you know what happened? I went out and I didn't get to shoot like the last part of the video. So what's gonna happen? I'm gonna have to get myself dressed. And this is the reality of content creation. Like you have to literally get dressed. Even when you have nowhere to go, you have to get dressed to do the content because that's what it requires. So I have to get dressed because I started the video a particular way and I was dressed, so I have to do like an outdoor part of the video. So I'm gonna have to get dressed and find a particular place in my home, in my yard space, to shoot the outdoor part of the video. And I'm like, oh my god, I'm like, yes, this is what you gotta go do, girl. Because a lot of people, the things that they have to do to make the content and to produce the content the way that the brand requested it, it's just what you have to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna make lunch and then I'm gonna try to capture that part of the vlog and before it starts raining. So let's see what's going on. Where are the girls? Girls.
Hello. Hi.
Say hi. We're vlogging. Say hello to the vlog, Raven. Hey. What's going on?
We're hiding.
Hi. So they're playing peekaboo.
Hi. We're hiding from
Boogeyman. I had to take the sheet off, guys. I need to be serious about getting Raven into her crib because she keeps peeing the bed. Every time I change my sheet, she just pee the bed. The diaper overflows and then wet up the entire place. So I have to change it.
That's fun because we get to stay in the bed.
Yes, because if my bed was spread, you guys would not be in it. Because one thing I don't like is when the kids are on my bed. And if you notice my sheets, they're always white or gray. I don't like pretty color sheet. If you notice, I love black and white. My colors are like earth colors, nude colors. I don't like pretty colors. Yeah, you will get pink when we get to go. You have your own room. Did you just say mama Gigi? I'm making lunch. You guys are hungry?
Nah.
No, because we did have late breakfast, so you're not hungry. Maybe Raven is hungry. Go peekaboo, Raven. I see you.
Raven. You're messing up my contour.
And then I'm gonna comb their hair. Robin is out of school and she hasn't worn like beads and colored rubber bands in a while, so I'm going to do that to her hair so at least she can get a little, you know, different hairstyle for the few days that school is out. Leave her now, Robin. She's a baby. She don't understand. Why did you put her in there and then you're going to think, oh, so the little boy coming to play with you? Oh, the little boy is coming. Hey! There's a neighbor's kid that always come around. So he's coming. She tear down the old place and leave our sister. She left you hanging. Come, mommy will never leave you be, my baby. Come, let's go. All right, I love you. Don't do that. You don't want me kissing you. I love you. There's no pussy, Raven. There's no pussy. There's no pussy in my clothes. She's gonna be excited to see the little boy. She loves to play with him. Go look. Go look, baby. Go look, baby. Who is that?
I don't know. He gone. He's gonna come back.
Okay. He's coming. Who is that, Raven? Who is that? Is your friend? She was crying and she jumped out. She's happy to see you. Hi. Yay.
One thing about him is when Raven comes to him, he's like going back and forth because he don't like when he's on him.
Yeah, that's because he's not used to her. But she's excited to see you. Are you happy to see her, Amir? So give her a hug. Good job. Oh, so cute. Good boy.
Same age, right?
Huh?
Every time
She's gonna give you a beer. Every time you come, she jumps on you. Yeah, because she's happy to see you. She was crying and she heard you coming and she run out my hands to come and see you. She's like, yay! She get company. She don't like to play with mean sister.
Hey!
Mwah. She's a good sister.
Because remember, I just did go in there and play with her.
Yeah, I know. I'm just joking with you,
Mommy,
Boogie.
is Boogeyman real?
Boogeyman, yes. Boogeyman is real. If you don't be good, I call Boogeyman and your Boogeyman come underneath the bed.
When you said you have to call Boogeyman 4
Yeah,
times.
you have to do it. Boogeyman. If you call it 4 times, he's gonna come.
For real?
Yes.
For real, Mommy?
Yes. You want something, Jen?
I'm stopping there.
Yes.
Try.
You can try. Raven, come and it's time for you to eat lunch. She's underneath the table, guys.
Not sure where to begin?
Come, it's time to eat. Why are you hiding?
I want to
Huh?
He's underneath the table.
It's time to eat. Come. Yummy. Come and eat. Yummy. I don't know if you were seeing me. I don't know if you were seeing me. I need a brighter light inside my bathroom. Probably the noise in the background, but I have an extra child here today. I'm a mom of 3 today, okay? So, that's what's going on in the living room right now. They're tearing it up. Watch out. Pure madness. Where am I done? Oh, one piece of cleaning, but I forgot though. So we finished having lunch. Raven eat off our entire food, guys. She ate every single thing. So the rain came down. Listen, all of my clothes on the line soaking wet because by the time I realized that it was raining, everything soaked. So I couldn't save anything. So just I put on a little bit of lip gloss and a little eyeshadow. My nails fell off. My nails, my lashes. I hope you guys can hear me. Oh my God, Robin, I'm not turning it down now. Yeah, so my lashes are off. So I hope this not look too bad. Alright, so let's go outside to finish. Yes, you're gonna come help me to take the video.
Help you, I know.
Where's Raven? Because I have to get her dressed. Come, boo boo. Let's finish the video, guys. We went outside and we finished, but I had to stress out Robin to do the video for me, and she broke my tripod. As I said to her, if you never broke my tripod, I would have never had to ask you. All I needed to do was just set my tripod up and just take the pictures, because I have like a little remote thing, you know, the little Bluetooth thingy that you can use and clip to take a picture. Yeah, this is why I don't like when kids play with my things. Like everything that for me is supposed to be off limits. Now Miss Tingaling, she wants to sleep, so I'm gonna go give her tea and let she go take a nap, and then I can wash some dishes and stuff like that. I was just talking to Shein because Shein, I bought some stuff from Shein from when and they said they were delivered on the 3rd of October. Have not received it. My courier company said they did not receive it. Where's the remote for the TV, Robin? Robin, where's the remote for the TV? Get it. So I just requested a refund because there's some nice outfit for the girls because it's winter time, you know. Raven put out the pacifier. She spit out the passy. You hear the passy drop again? You ready for a tea? I'm happy that you eat off your lunch today and then you're drinking tea, so you're not only feeding on tea today. Nice girl from mommy. Yes, because I bought some other stuff off Shein, so I hope they don't mess with this order. So I'm going to reorder the things them that I initially bought that they did not deliver first. So once I get the refund for that, I will order it, because where we're living now, it's not like when we were in Ocharius when it's really hot and we'll be wearing sleeveless. It's pretty cool and rain often. So I did buy some, you know, long sleeve pajamas for the girls to start wearing as of November. So that's the order. I'm not more than somebody maybe see them and like them and just decide say them are gonna thief them here because what? But look what the lady said. Let me tell you what the customer service lady said. So kind of you, after I told her to enjoy her day. He's like, I hope all customer has good attitude like you. I can just imagine what they go through on a daily basis when people don't get their order, because some customers can be so rude. And I understand when you don't get your stuff, we're so frustrated. But I mean, they are working. They are not the ones who actually, you know, did you wrong. And as someone that has worked in customer service, because I've dealt with some guests when I usually work as a front office agent, front office manager, front office receptionist, or whatever. I've dealt with some customer where my have to squeeze my big toe because them I give it to you and them not eat. You get what I'm saying? And when you hear what they say, the customer is always right. So one thing about me, I'm going to be very genuine to people regardless of what. And even if I'm upset about something, I'm not going to be rude. Like, it really takes a lot out of me for me to be rude to you, to be honest with you. Like, I wasn't raised that way. Never go that way then. Like, it's not in me to be rude, and if you see me being rude to you, trust me, you deserve it. Look who finished their tea. She's looking at it like, mommy, it's done. It's yes, it's finished. It's finished, baby. I was raised with my grandma until I was 9 years of age. So while I was living with my grandma, one thing my grandma always tell me is manners carry you through the world. And that never leave me, none at all. Manners carry you through the world. Good morning, good afternoon, please, and thank you. Excuse me. You know, be courteous, be kind. And that has never left me. My grandma died when I was 9 years of age. And I'm telling you, I miss that woman so much. And my mom can tell you. I am one kid where me no back talk my daddy, me no back talk my stepmother, me no back talk my mother, me no back talk no adults, none at all. None of them never had that issue with me, because I remember going with my grandma. My grandma taught me certain things. And you see, when you have kids and your kids are young, the most important stage of teaching and parenting is when they're so small, Raven's age to Robin's age, because anything that you teach them during that time of their, you know, their childhood growing up is what will stay with them, is what will pave the way for them to be adults. So they will portray the same lifestyle, the same character that they had growing up as kids. Yeah, because I don't like persons that are rude for no reason, like, you know, just being rude. And sometimes when you are rude to somebody for no reason, like, you don't have to, like, I understand say you're upset over something, but you're being so rude, so vulgar about it. Trust me, when you want good things to happen for you, it's not going to happen. Because me I tell you, you ever hear they say karma, it's not going to happen. They said the humblest calf suck the most milk. And that's true. You have to stay humble sometimes. in some cases, the other day, this brand, when they took 2 months to pay me, and I'm telling you, I could have come on the internet and, you know, me blast them, but I said, listen to me, that is not me, that's not like me, that's not my character. And I could have dealt with it, like even speak about it in a way where it's not even like, you know, degrading who I am. But me just say, you know what, sometimes you just have to let some things slide, because at the end of the day, what am I do? It's not really much harming me, because at the end of the day I'm going to get my money, and maybe if I come out and speak about it I may get angry, and then that may not look good for me on the internet in the future. So sometimes you have to just bite your tongue and bite, lap your front tail and shut your mouth even though it's hurting you. And that has been, you know, my demeanor for a whole lot of things throughout my lifetime growing up. So many things that I really could have lashed out about when people do me, or people that say certain things, and I'm like, let it slide, just let it slide, let it slide, just be kind. The other day somebody commented and said, so Nita, you're so genuine. And I'm like, me? I saw me stay up on a regular, girl. Me up on a regular towards anybody, even the garbage collector man out the road, even anybody. I'm just the same type of person that you see on the internet. No play thing, no put on nothing, no fancy nothing. If you see me in a real life, I the same me. Nothing no change, nothing no pretty up, nothing. You get what I'm saying? I am who I am. And life is easier for you that way when you be who you are. You know, you're not trying to pretend and behave like you're nice. Because you have some people, they will pretend as if they're nice to your face and behind you. I don't know how them sleep. Like, I don't know how them do it. I don't know. Like, I can't do it. I can't do it, my love. I cannot do it. You just have to keep it mutual. And I like saying you're your best buddy, best friend and so. But, you know, just keep it mutual. I really do me the worst. Just know, say, alright. You over there, so I'm me over here, so. And I keep it moving. Yeah. I'm trying to put this little girl to her bed so I can go do some dishes. But she's trying to play around. Are you going to sleep, Bubba? Are you going to sleep? Are you going to sleep? No, you're not in the mood to sleep. You're going to. No, why are you trying to rip it apart? Why are you trying to rip it apart? Raven here is coming, guys. Look at this. Raven, I got have a good bust down for Christmas, you know. Boo boo. The side them a pop up.